This is a very light wheelchair, easy to carry around.
Flip out the push bar, flip down the leg rest, press down the seat, and flip down the foot pad, and it's ready. Press for normal brake, harder. When you hear click sounds, attendant brake, release, press the brake level. How to keep this wheelchair? Flip out the footrest. Always close the seat first. Then press the level behind and press it down. Last step, flip up the footrest. It's very compact. Come with a long adjustable safety belt. Anti-tipple. Anti-tipple is to prevent the user from falling backwards, especially going up a slope. How to remove it? Just press a button and you can easily remove it within seconds. If you don't want to use it, just flip it upwards and within seconds you can lock it. Come with a very deep pockets. This wheelchair comes with a removable backrest cushions and also the seat cushion, easy removed. For hygiene, it's washable. Armrest flip-up functions. Armrest flip-up function is useful because when the user go for a meal, okay, it's what part of the easy transfer, and also the tabletop will not be obstructing the user, so that they do not need to shift their body from the wheelchair to another seat. Footrest extend 3 different layers out to allow the footrest to protrude outwards for more comfort, so the leg can stretch out further. Dual bolt-through braking system, concealed braking. As you can see from here, we have customized an additional metal brake here. Okay, this is unlike other wheelchair that has only one bolt-through fixing. After using for a period of times, the braking mechanism will move further and further from the tires, and you always need maintenance. But after we put an additional metal brake here with 2 bolt-through, okay, there is zero maintenance you need to maintain to adjust the position of the braking systems. PU tires, our PU tires consist of nylon cord inside, which means, okay, for those drop shipping normal tires, okay, it will usually break within 1 year. But for our PU tires, okay, it's built to last. And ball bearing is ultra ball bearing, that type of roller brake type. Okay, it's still spinning, you see, it's very robust, smooth, okay, and it's built to withstand heavy impact. Okay, for example, like roller brakes, you jump from a very high height and landed, okay, it will not cause damage. It's the same ball bearing we use on 4 wheels. Okay, as you can see from here, this is the center crossbar. Okay, the common issue with a wheelchair is the nuts tend to drop out after a few years of using it, because wheelchair is using lock nut. Lock nut has a rubber seal inside. Okay, when the rubber seal is no longer intact and loosened, and if the screw is too short, okay, the nut drop out. And so what we improve is we increase the length of all the screws to ensure this will not happen. Attendant brake from the rear is useful because in any event, if the assistant wanted to apply the brake while pushing halfway, they do not need to bend down and apply the attendant brake. They can just brake it from behind. This wheelchair can hold up to 100 kg, okay. Although it's a armrest flip-up, we have increased the thickness and the robustity of this piece of support on the armrest, so it can hold up to 100 kg, okay. This is made of PU, most high quality material, okay, and there's a contour, allow the hand to rest nicely on the armrest. The leg strap to prevent the legs from falling backwards. And this wheelchair is safe for diabetes user because all our nuts are covered with caps. Okay, this is to prevent the user while sitting on the wheelchair have cuts on their body. Although we already have the washable cushions, but we also put on additional cover to cover all the screws on the seat, so prevent their heat from getting cuts from the screw. Okay, every aspect and every inch of this wheelchair we have looked into it carefully to enhance the safety and the durability, yeah, and increase the functions of this wheelchair at the best price point. We put in additional 2 metal clip here, okay, to ensure the cable will not be dangling and touching the tires and cause abrasion on the cable and damage the cable. My height is 1.74 and my weight is 94 kg at this moment. Okay, so this is how it looks like when I sit on the wheelchair. It's very comfortable. I still have ample space to adjust myself, and yep, it's basically one of the most comfortable wheelchair. Okay, the backrest is also just nice. The height is good enough for me. Okay, and that's about it. Thank you. As you can see, when we design these foldable cushions, right, we do not compromise on the thickness of the cushion. Okay, a lot of wheelchair that has removable cushion, they are much thinner. Okay, the reason is if they put too thick, okay, it's unable to close to its very compact size. But ours, we can do it because we have these two lines that is specially customized. Okay, so as you can see from here, when we fold, right, always fold the seat first. You can see the contour, okay, the line that we customize is neatly here. And when you close, press the lever, okay, you fit down the push bar. See, it's so compact, and one of the most compact wheelchair. Okay, can put into very small size car booth. Come with two handles, robust handle, because it is connected by very solid hardened washable, lightweight. Thank you.